I'm so overwhelmed, guys. You loved my last video a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it.
Hey guys, I'm Sarchita. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, then I make videos on fashion, styling, lifestyle, travel, and also sometimes on the basis of my hobbies. So are you guys thinking of ordering something on Meesho? I'm sure after watching those amazing clothes in comparatively such low price, आप लोगों का भी मन करता है कि चलो let's buy. You know, I have ordered a lot and lots of things in Meesho, and yesterday I received some of them, like 7 to 8 products. But in fact, I was also not sure whether the products are good or bad. Ads में देखते हैं कि number 1 reselling app. What is that? So I am really excited to share my experience with you. So what is Meesho? Meesho is now India's number 1 reselling app that requires zero investment, at the same time zero risk, where anyone can start their own online business. And yeah, that's it. So how you can start your own business, I will let you know at the end of the video. पहले products देखते हैं. So the first one is this top. I am wearing, guys. These rainbow tops are nowadays in trend. I saw many bloggers wearing this top. So Meesho में देखते हैं, I just add to cart. Usually when we see such beautiful tops in such a low price, then we don't believe कि product वैसा ही आएगा जैसा picture में है. But this top is so true to the picture, guys. Look at the sleeves. It has pretty ruffled sleeves, and I got some Cinderella vibe. Also इसमें 2 layers है, you can see. This one and नीचे भी एक layer है. And this thing is elastic. I just love the color combination, guys. This is so summer friendly. The fabric is all over neck, but there is a inner lining here also. Neck is also square neck, you can see, and you will find some elastic detailings happening in the back side. I love square neck, guys. I got it for rupees 449 rupees, I think, which is pretty decent for this top. And also I bought this top in size M. जब मैंने Meesho देखा ना, there are lot more trending products out there, and I could not resist myself from buying. So I just ordered a lot of things. मैंने tops order किया, dresses, kurti sets, sarees, just a lot more. So I am thinking of making some another hauls at the end of this month. So stay tuned for those videos, and also I will put the download link of Meesho in my description box, which is a normal download link. You will get flat 30% off or rupees 100 discount in your first purchase. So the next thing I bought is this beautiful white top. Look at it. I found it earlier on Myntra, this same brand May, but the price was a little bit higher. But I got it in Meesho only for rupees 446. Fabric of this top is polyester, but it is not at all harsh to your skin. I love it because it gives a pretty decent look, and also this square neck is my current favorite. Also the hands are full sleeve and little bit puffy. Some button detailings are happening in the front, and I got it for size S, and this fits me really very well. Okay, one more point I want to add here कि before ordering you should check the size chart, because पहला वाला top मैंने M size में खरीदा था and this one is S. So please buy according to the size chart. The third top I bought is this black zipper top. There is a zipper in the front side. Guys, I did not expect it such a good quality top in only rupees 251. When I received it, you know, I was like, huh, 251, this top?
Oh my god!
Material is somewhat stretchy kind of material, and color is not at all faded, like it is perfectly black. क्या ही बोलूँ, guys, I am just dying to style it with my high waist torn jeans. Oh. The top is cropped, sleeves are also perfect. You can see the back. It has a collar also. After all, it's a good quality top in this price. And I bought it for size M. So if you want to buy, then I will suggest you this one also, as you are getting in your first purchase 30% off or rupees 100 discount. एक से बढ़कर एक आ ही जा रहे हैं, guys. Yes, this top. If you remember my previous video, I wore it there and one of my friends told me that you are looking like a doll. Really? I look like a doll? Look at the color, guys. I am just loving this turquoise kind of blue color. इसलिए तो ऑर्डर किया था ना. 331 रुपीज में मिला. रिस्क भी ले सकते थे कि चलो वेस्ट होगा भी तो only rupees 331. But this is really pretty. Look at the sleeves, guys. These are so dramatic. You can wear it like off shoulder and also you can wear it like this. It has also transparent straps so that ये गिर ना जाए. All over some sunflower sort of prints are happening. This gives you a pretty summer wali vibe. And I got this in size M. I am gonna add all the product codes below. Meesho में product links नहीं होते. You have to just write the product code in the search bar. Then you will find the product. The next top. मैं share नहीं करूँगी. This is such a beautiful piece, guys. Just have a view. Can you guys imagine a sequin top under rupees 500 or in rupees 466? मैंने ना Shein में ये sequin kind of top देखा था, वो भी rupees 1200 में, और यहाँ पे only rupees 466. Such a perfect piece, guys. You can wear it with sari also. It will completely give you a party look. Also, I bought this in size S. Front part is simple, but the back side is a little bit stylish. Fabric is velvet, but it doesn't look like cheap material velvet at all. Number 6, this pink color top. All the products are so pretty, no? I bought it for rupees 356. I don't know exactly what is the material, but not cotton for sure. And the back is like this. I don't know, in the lighting maybe the color is looking a little bit dull, but this is perfectly peach color. So this top will be a crop top if you are a tall girl, or if you are not that much tall, then that will not be. Again, look at the sleeves. Last but not the least, I bought a simple black top, and this top is my lowest priced product. So this is a simple black top which has a V-neck. Also it has full sleeve hands, and this top is also basically a crop top. You can style it in different way. I just bought it for rough use. I got it for only rupees 232. The quality is really very good. It is cotton. So I have shared all the toppers today. Soon the hauls of other clothes will also come. Hopefully I will make a series of Meesho haul at the end of this April month. I think till then I will receive all the products.
So in order to place an order in Meesho, just open it and you will get some categories option. I am going to the western one. Select it tops and tunics. Now just go to the product that you need. As an example, I am going to order this rainbow top. Select it my size. Click continue. Now you can see there is one product in your cart. Click there. Now they are asking the payment method. You can pay online or you can do the cash on delivery as well. The price of this top is 449, but I want to resell it and earn profit, so I am writing 549 and the margin earned is 100. But if you want to buy it for yourself, then click the actual price and then you add your address details, place order, and you are done. Profit margin will directly get credited to your bank account.
So I think that's it. Stay tuned for my upcoming Meesho haul. Bye bye.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you.